Hello everyone, blackenedshroud here. It is currently 7 a.m., so I have to whisper and keep my voice down since everyone is sleeping. I hope you're all having a great week. I am too. I have an exciting new unboxing video for you today of a mask that I have never owned before, but I've heard so much about. And thank you to Sameer once again for selling me this mask, and I'm very excited to show you. So, without further ado, let's take a look. Okay, drumroll please. A bunch of stuff in here. Bunch of packing. Okay, here we go. So, this looks like a mask, the usual mask. It doesn't look any different, right? However, from what I was told and shown, oh good lord. What is going on here? It's one of these. Uh-oh. So, about these collector edition masks, we have to be very careful putting them near our other masks, because apparently these spots, as you can see, are contagious, and you can easily infect your other masks. So we have to keep this in quarantine, and you can bet, by the way, that I'm washing the hell out of this thing, because you just don't know what's in this shroud or what's in the vinyl. And I don't know, part of me just hopes that washing this in liquid will hopefully deter the ability to spread blue ink, but there's already spots. As you can see, there's some in the mouth right there, some in the forehead. I don't know, is it safe to take out? Let's find out. Now, according to the label, it is a 2011 collector's edition mask, not 2010. Okay, but I think it's still really cool that I get to own one. Tagged as well. Let's take this. Sorry, I have my masks over here. I want to be careful. Let's take this out of the bag. Oh my god. It's the dwarf hood. The infamous dwarf hood. It's like a very see-through kind of netting. So I think the idea, from what I heard, was that when they were producing SCRE4, that Funworld was trying to create an easy, wearable mask for the production team to use and work with. And turns out the production team hated these hoods, as well as the fact that it started staining masks with blue ink. So they actually took the mask itself, deshrouded it, and reshrouded it to be the normal shroud. So there was no point in this at all. However, it seems to have lived on in the fact that we have 25th anniversary masks coming in with full shrouds again, this time sparkly. And also the second run of the anniversary masks having the ink splot problem as well. And once again, I'll show you. As you can see, it's just pockmarked with these disgustingly scary, sick-looking spots. And I just don't know any way to prevent it or reduce it. Does anyone know a way to cure this? Let me know in the comments. Because this thing is just, oh so infected. It smells good though, like vanilla. You can see the tag here. Forgive the lighting. Look at that. It's very floppy. Not too tough at all. Actually, it actually does look like one of my 2011 EU masks now that I look at it. Especially if there's a highlighter, the way it is. Definitely. Interesting. Well then, let's put it a little bit on display and get some action shots on it. that's that. Anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. Sorry I had to keep it short. Of course, the fact of the matter is, this mask is dangerous to your other masks. So, do not, and I repeat, do not let it sit near your other masks. I'm going to keep this in a plastic bag, locked away in a vault, somewhere in my shelf, because this, while pretty, is infectious, and you don't want this ruining your best masks. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember, like, subscribe, and comment. Be sure to follow Sameer Gazi on Instagram, because he's an awesome friend. Once again, providing other cosplayers with masks. So, without further ado, I hope you guys have a great day, and see you next time.